Yes!
We were young, we were good, we were free. No one to tell us how our love should be. It was the curse of your last you denied, and now it's raining on me. Say you really want me, want me. Tell me that you need me, need me. Give me a...
Hey YouTube, welcome back to MojaveKY. Thank you, seriously, thank you so much for coming back. Alright, so before I start today, doesn't that look cool? I just thought that looked sick. I had it in the camera and I was looking at it going, alright, I dig that a lot. Okay, so the reason we're here is just to say thank you. It's been a long journey to get to this point. We broke 1,000 at some point last night, subscribers. We're at 1,001, so thank you very much, because subscribers ebbs and flows, so it's nice to start to put a little distance between us and the 1,000. And just wanted to thank everybody so much for getting us there, so much participation in getting us there. A lot of people ask others to follow us on Instagram, on YouTube, did shout outs, the whole thing, all of it really, really helped, got us over the top. And it means that that money sitting in my Google account, I'm assuming I'm gonna get it now, right? So very excited for that. Very excited to be over at 1,000. Makes me feel a little more legit YouTuber? I don't know. This just, again, still for fun. But it makes me feel a little bit more legit. Put a big smile on my face when I saw MojaveKY 1,001 subs. Huge milestone. Especially Kent and I were driving back on a road the other day and we were like, gosh, remember when we were on this road and we had taken rocks and formed in the number 25 for when we hit 25 subs. That's what it's like being a small YouTuber, right? It's these small milestones that make all of this a lot of fun. So, if you've gotten to this point and you're just happy, hey, great, they made it, glad to hear it, where's your next video on a mod? You can click off here. I just had a couple more things I kind of wanted to chat about the channel and some ideas that I'm having. So see you guys in the next one, or stay tuned for a little bit more. Okay, so for those of you who hung it out, thank you. Just wanted to talk about a few things. So we should get that YouTube money. I'm hoping we get it in February, so I'm kind of watching it. It should be a little over 100 bucks. Like I said, I think there's about 4 things that I've had my eye on. They are small mods, so they're small, inexpensive mods. You have, you know, maybe seen them on some ones, but either way, I haven't seen all of these around, so these 4 mods I think will be cool. So as soon as I get that, I'm gonna buy all 4 mods. We'll do an unboxing and we'll do videos on all of those. So that is really thanks to you guys. Otherwise, I'm not sure I would have seen that money. We were at like $95, and I know this month would clip us over the $100 mark, but I don't know if I would have seen it had we not made the 1,000. So awesome, and more videos and more content for you guys. So the other thing is that I'm just kind of thinking a way to show and be as excited as I am for the 1,000. I've been thinking about maybe spending a bit of cash on something, so just kind of been thinking in my head something bigger. So a splitter maybe for the car. I've been thinking about getting a splitter. I've also been thinking about changing the spoiler on this and going with a spoiler plus the wicker bill. So maybe something like that. And then saw Casey Neistat's video. So I don't know if you guys watch Casey. It seems like everybody watches Casey. And he did that Mavic Air video. Oh, that Mavic is so cool. So I am thinking about a drone. I don't know if I can afford the Mavic. Maybe I can't remember what the small one's called. But they have a smaller version of it that does 1080p, and the Mavic Air does 4K. I don't know, something like that I think we could do some interesting video, and you guys would get some new kind of content out of it. You know, having it watch the car from afar, some shots up, you know, from high, maybe some canyon runs up high. I don't know, just kind of thinking. So if you guys have ideas on stuff that you think would be beneficial to the channel, something you'd like to see installed, I am thinking about, again, a bigger price point on a mod to celebrate that 1,000 subscriber mark. Hey, well that's it. I just wanted to say thank you and give you some ideas around what I'm thinking about. I've been really excited to hit that today, and I just wanted to get it fresh and in front of you guys that I'm really pumped about it. Thank you guys. Thank everybody for all the help, and thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate that, right? These videos just don't keep going unless somebody's interested in watching, so I'm really happy that you guys are interested in watching. So until the next video, keep modding.